So I have this magnetic expansion frame for the Pocket 3 right here. This comes in from FlyMile. Now you can see how it's gonna fit around your Pocket 3 just like so. It opens up and has nice little padding on the inside, so it's not gonna scratch anything, but you can put this around your Pocket 3, has all the cutouts for your controls or anything like that, and snap it into place. And then you have a cold shoe on the side for like mics or lights. And then on the back, you have this magnetic stand. It does have a quarter thread on it, so you can hook it into like, you know, a selfie stick or a tripod. But then you can use the magnetic part to put this on your car, put this on anything metal, a refrigerator, or maybe a stove top if you want to get some downward cooking shots with your Pocket 3. It will work and stay nicely. So great quality product, and just a great little accessory to have with your Pocket 3. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.